Hey everyone, for this video, I'll teach you how to change your Snapchat user without having to wait a whole year. With this tutorial, you can finally get rid of that old username. The first step is opening your settings app. And then, go to General. So just tap on date and time, and then turn set automatically off, and then tap on this and just move a year. So once you set that, it will go forward into a year into the future, so it will look like it's been a year. Then restart your phone and go back to Snapchat. Go to Profile, then find Settings, and then tap on your username and see if it actually worked. If that didn't work, just try reaching out by going to support.snapchat.com. There, you can state your problem and they will be able to help you fix it. Simple as that. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.